You guys, welcome back to another Sunday breakdown. So today's video we're gonna start with Code. So Code USD, I know I've been changing this setup for a while, so I'm still trying to look for a way forward. So in the previous past, we had this impulse correction. We end actually with this impulse again. Same thing, we have impulse correction. We're just gonna have another impulse to the upside. So that's what we are waiting for. So right now, what we have is this double bottom at here, but at the same time we have this descending channel. So usually what I do when I see some kind of setup like that is like this. I trade mostly the descending channel other than to take into consideration only the double bottom. So I'm gonna shoot to the 2-hour time frame, then zoom it for you. So what you can see here, what happened when price actually came down, corrected, came down, straight down, came down, corrected, then it went up again. You understand? So as you can see, what happened here is way too different when price came to here. So when price came, it didn't shoot back to the upside, correct, then shoot again. What it did is shoot here, shoot to the downside, then while it was actually correcting, so to the downside, corrected, as you can see. So pretty much this is the movement that I'm actually looking for. Then from there we can actually shoot back to the upside. So I'm still waiting for consolidation when the market opens. So one more movement, then we can actually put to the downside. So it's only just a few pips that are left from here coming to the downside. Then from there we can actually move to the upside. So the next pair that we're gonna have is pound Aussie. So pound Aussie, right now we have as well a descending channel. So when price pulled back on Friday, it pulled back and it formed like a bearish pin bar, like a strong bearish pin bar over here. So we had sort of this resistance when price was now moving up, then we had also resistance. So now both are acting as support and price still moving in this channel. So when the market opens, what I can expect is either shoot to the downside, then from there we can actually buy again, or we can wait for price to correct a bit, then from there we can actually sell again. So I'm currently already in a sell position, then we can actually continue the downside when the market opens. The last pair that we're gonna have, so pound yen. If you watched last week's video, I think we had pound yen as well. So the structure hasn't really changed much. So now we have this triangle with the upper part of the triangle and the lower part of the triangle over this area. So I can draw it as this. So with the lower parts with 1, 2, the touch here, then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 touches here. So if I can zoom it in for you, what you can see is when the market closed, we had this small pin bar. So what I want first is price to pull back. I like to pull to us outside, pull back to retest, and from there we can actually continue with price movement to the downside. So my first target will be this one. I'm going to complete this movement of the triangle. So from here I can have my sell position straight to there. So like pretty much I'll be looking for at least 1.4%, at least 1.4%. And what am I risking? Risking to lose 0.17%. So that'll be a good one. So that's pretty much everything that we have this week. I hope you have a good week, guys. As always, signing out. Cheers.